Hey guys, Jordan here with Coldlytics, and today I'm going to show you how to target the best nightclub leads using Coldlytics. So let's get started. So first we're going to target Las Vegas, known for its, 24-hour party scene. Add that and hit next to lock it in. We are going to search nightclubs, and I'm sure we should see lots of results in our sanity check. Yep. Next, key decision makers. We're looking for owners and founders and directors and executives. We are targeting one owner, but in case they have a C-suite title, it'll cover for this case. Filters. I like to do a Google review just to make sure that they're a well-received club. They care about their clients and their customers, and the benefit of that for you is that they'll be a good business partner with you as well. So I'm gonna hit next to lock that in. And since Las Vegas has so many nightclubs, we're gonna do a Google Maps search position just to target um, the ones between 6 and 15. So basically anything higher than 15, they don't care about SEO and probably not receive pretty well. And anything lower than 6, they're kind of like their industry titans, like they're like the most dominant people in their specific industry. So they're going to be harder to work with. They're probably already working with marketers and stuff, or whatever your business is reaching out to it. Let's say you're like an alcohol supplier, for example, right? These are the ones that are going to be the easiest to work with and the most like flexible. You're going to have a great business relationship over time. Yeah, between 6 and 15. And if you start a business relationship with a company that's at, let's say, like 7 8, and you bring them into the top 5, like that'll be just like a lasting business relationship. So I'm gonna hit next to lock that in. Filter. Oh, sorry, no, we're not going to do filter. We're going to now go on to our deliver step. I'm going to reset all of these. We want phone number. We want our Google businesses, or we want our Google metrics. So, for example, like if their business is listed on Google and is between 6 and 15, but their GMB is not claimed, that's a very easy sale. We're not going. Moving on, we're not going to select direct dial as we already have direct email, and direct dial doubles your credits required. We're going to do their social media. Let's say you're a marketer. Seeing their social media can gauge what they're spending their marketing budget on, and then you can make a package according to that information. Revenue, headcount, and data established. Great for taking your 100 good leads down to 20 great leads. Also determining which companies have the longest longevity when you're working with them. Most longevity when you're working with them. Ad pixels are useful. If they have ad pixels, they're more likely to work with marketers. Technology filters are useful because it shows you like what they're working with. And if you're working with these things, then it's just easier to synergize, easier to build a package around it. Search terms, search location, and search position, great sort of extra SEO metrics. So next to lock that in, finish that off, give it a title, set your context required. I always save a draft just in case I want to stop it to change something. I'm not starting from scratch. But that being said, I'm going to launch that. Nightclubs in Las Vegas, it's allocating, which means that it'll take about 24 hours to complete. So yeah, that's how you find the best nightclubs in Las Vegas using Coldlytics. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.